back to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Friday, February 14th, 2025.
I'm Rocco Castro.
I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello Pythons, welcome back to Python TV.
It's Valentine's Day!
Now here are your daily announcements.
Think about kindness. I think that when another person does something good to another one and it makes them feel amazing and positive inside. Like for example, if I helped someone out, it can make them feel really good, and I think that's why kindness is amazing.
Kindness means to me, do not fight anyone else and don't hit anyone else.
Positivity to one another, and like they feel really good about themselves, like, oh, I feel positive about myself, and that's what kindness is.
What kindness means to me is like you want others to feel good about themselves and think positive thoughts, like no feeling negative or anything.
Kindness means to me is that if you do something good to someone else, they will probably do it back to you.
To me, kindness is something that people have to show in order to actually get, kindness back.
What kindness means to me is being considerate of others, treating them how you want to be treated, and making them feel seen as well.
Kindness means to me showing compassion, respect, and just treating others, lifting others the way that we want to be treated. Being kind feels so good, not only for the person that you're kind to, but for the person that's receiving the kindness. So spread kindness, Spa.
Howdy y'all, 7-0, back again. And I'm inviting you guys to join us for Starter Up for STEM, Balloon Card Family Night, where you can build, learn, and race. With your family taking on first place, come join and see on February 19th at 5 p.m. See you there.
it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow morning using updates. Have a great day. Go Pythons!